what is the energy source of this world? Any answer? You can unmute yourself and answer. What do you think the energy source of this world? Like I'll say some answer like there can be coal is an energy source, water is an energy source, waves is an energy source. What do you think? Sun, correct. It's a sun. So if sun is not there, you will find that energy of sun will not be trapped in earth, and this energy will not be converted into anything, right? Even if you see energy which is any fire or which is wood, coal, electricity, even the exchange of ions in the body, that is also energy, or any energy which is any form of energy which is there in the world is nothing but it is transferred from sun and trapped it. Now energy is lot, right? Can we use this energy? We can use, right? But it should be in the from one form to another form, right? And it should be in a utilizable form. That is very important. I cannot go and use a nuclear energy immediately though I have uranium in my hand, right? I cannot use it unless and until I have a process to do it. Now, even energy we got it from sun, but that we can use only for conversion of vitamin D and to a proper molecular form. We cannot use it directly to prepare our food. You all know that plants can use it to prepare their food. Now, this very well-known fact in ancient days was determined by our ancient yogic people, and they found that how to trap this energy, how to actually initiate this energy particularly. And they found certain amount of activities in the body, they may not exhaust you, but at the same time they'll initiate the centers of it, and this particular energy which is trapped in the body in the form of food absorbed in the body and deposited as a carb, as a protein, as a fat, this particularly which is flowing inside the body, that should be converted into actual form of energy. This actual form of energy can be a good hormones, this can be a good circulation, this can be a proper utilization of muscles, this can be a proper utilization or proper movements in or flow inside the lymphatic system, or this can be a digestive power. Everything is energy. So this energy, to convert it, what we need is that we need some trigger. There is a kickoff required, and what this kickoff is, they found that it is actually a combination of these 12 different asanas, and which actually initiates the energy, and that is what is known as sun salutation.